Hey there, ocean friends. Welcome to Bamusa_official. Today, we're diving deep into the colorful underwater world to meet some amazing sea creatures. But wait, it's not just about watching. We're also going to play a fun guessing game about these ocean animals. Are you ready to guess and learn something new? Grab your goggles and let's start our underwater adventure today. In the middle of the wide, blue ocean, there lives a creature as soft as jelly. It has no bones, no brain, and no blood, yet it can live, move, and even hunt. Its body is clear like glass, sometimes glowing with colors when the sunlight touches it. It drifts gently through the water, floating wherever the ocean currents take it. But beware, those long, silky tentacles can sting, scaring away small fish that come too close. It's not really a fish, but everyone calls it one because it lives in the sea. At night, it can look like a glowing lantern drifting through the dark waves. So, who am I? Fun facts about jellyfish. Ancient survival. Jellyfish are one of the Earth's oldest animals, having existed for at least 500 million years, making them older than the dinosaurs. Simple anatomy. They have no brain, no heart, no bones, and no blood. Their nervous system is a simple nerve net that allows them to respond to their environment. Stinging tentacles. Their tentacles are covered in thousands of stinging cells called cnidocytes. These cells contain tiny, venom-filled barbs used to paralyze or kill prey. Many species of jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light, usually blue or green, through a chemical reaction, often used to frighten predators or attract mates, prey. Deep under the calm sea, there lives a creature shaped like a star. It has no brain, yet it can feel when something touches it. It has no blood, but it can still move and live. If one of its arms breaks off, it doesn't cry, it simply grows a new one. Every day, it crawls slowly along rocks and sand using its tiny tube feet. When it's hungry, it gently pries open clams and eats them in a clever way. Even though its name has the word star, it doesn't shine in the night sky. So, who am I? Okay, fun fact about starfish. Not a fish. Despite often being called starfish, they are invertebrates, animals without a backbone, belonging to the class Asteroidea in the phylum Echinodermata, which also includes sea urchins and sea cucumbers. Amazing regeneration. Sea stars have an incredible ability to regenerate lost limbs. Some species can even grow an entire new body from a single detached arm, as long as a piece of the central disc is present. Stomach eversion. They have a peculiar way of eating. They can extrude their stomach out through their mouth to digest prey, like clams or mussels, externally, and then retract it back into their body. I live in the sea, but when I'm cooked, I turn red. What am I? Answer: a lobster. Fun fact about lobster. Outer skeleton. Lobsters are crustaceans that have an exoskeleton, a hard, outer shell, to protect their bodies, not an internal skeleton. Grow by molting. To grow larger, lobsters must molt, shed their old hard shell. After molting, they are extremely vulnerable. Not red. In the wild, lobsters are usually a greenish-brown, blue, or even yellow color. They turn bright red only after being cooked. People call me a fancy meal, but I'm just a sea crustacean. Who am I? A lobster. I look like a kite in the sea, but I'm not a toy. What am I? Answer: a stingray. Fun fact about stingray: shark relatives. Stingrays are closely related to sharks. They are both cartilaginous fish whose skeletons are made of cartilage, not true bone. How they breathe: they have small holes called spiracles located behind their eyes, which allows them to draw in water for breathing while buried under the sand. I can fly underwater, but I'm not a bird. Who am I? Special sense. Like sharks, they have a special sense called the ampullae of Lorenzini that helps them detect the electrical signals of prey hidden in the sand. Venomous defense. The venomous barb on their tail is used for defense against predators, not for hunting food. The sting is typically intensely painful. Camouflage. Their flat bodies help them camouflage, often by burying themselves under the sandy ocean floor. Leaping. Some stingray species are known to leap out of the water. Baby stingrays. Baby stingrays are called pups and are born fully developed, requiring no parental care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe.
Hi friends, I will tell you unique fun facts about this sea animal, so stay tuned to this channel. English fun facts: clownfish. They can change sex. All clownfish are born male, but the dominant male in a group will change its sex to female if the breeding female dies. Sting immunity. Clownfish have a special mucus coating on their skin that allows them to live within the stinging tentacles of a sea anemone without getting hurt. This is a mutually beneficial, symbiotic relationship. Size hierarchy. They have a strict, size-based social hierarchy. The largest fish is always the breeding female, followed by the breeding male, and then the smaller non-breeders. Long lifespan. Clownfish can live for a surprisingly long time, with some species, like the orange clownfish, estimated to live up to 30 years in the wild. Finding home. Larval clownfish use their sense of smell to locate a suitable anemone to settle in, which is critical for their survival. Fun facts: sea urchins. Number 1. Ancient creatures. Sea urchins have been around for approximately 450 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Number 2. No brain. Still clever. They don't have a recognizable brain, but they have a nervous system that allows them to move and sense their environment. Number 3. Aristotle's lantern. Their mouth, located on their underside, is a complex chewing organ with 5 teeth, which is historically known as Aristotle's lantern, after the Greek philosopher's description. Number 4. Full body eyes. Some species of sea urchins can see using their entire body, as their tube feet and spines are sensitive to light. Number 5. Long-lived. The red sea urchin is one of the longest living marine creatures, with some individuals estimated to live for over 200 years. English fun facts: squid. Number 1. 3 hearts. Squids have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood through the gills, and the third one circulates blood to the rest of the body. Number 2. Giant eyes. The colossal squid has the largest eyes of any animal on Earth. They can be as big as a basketball. Number 3. Jet propulsion. They are incredibly fast swimmers, using jet propulsion by rapidly sucking water into their mantle and shooting it out through a siphon. Number 4. Masters of disguise. Squids can change their color and skin texture instantly using special pigment sacs called chromatophores to camouflage or communicate. Number 5. Donut brain. A squid's esophagus runs right through the middle of its donut-shaped brain. This means their food passes directly through their brain on the way to their stomach. Here are the key facts about seahorse. Asterisk unique reproduction, male pregnancy. The male seahorse is the only species in the animal kingdom where the male gets pregnant and gives birth. The female deposits her eggs into a pouch on the male's abdomen, where he fertilizes and carries them until they hatch. Asterisk they are terrible swimmers. Despite being fish, seahorses are the world's slowest swimmers. They propel themselves with a tiny dorsal fin that flutters rapidly. Because of this, they spend most of their time anchored to seaweed or coral using their prehensile tail, a tail that can grasp. Asterisk no stomach, constant eating. Seahorses do not have a stomach, their food passes through their system quickly. Therefore, they must eat constantly, using their long snout like a vacuum cleaner to suck up tiny crustaceans, like brine shrimp, up to 3,000 times a day. Asterisk monogamous and daily dance. Many seahorse species are monogamous, meaning they pair for life. Every morning, a mated pair performs a special courtship dance that can last for several minutes to reinforce their bond.
Thank you. Please subscribe my channel YouTube.